In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your Big Cartel store effectively. Whether you're an artist or run a small business, Big Cartel provides a wonderful platform to showcase and sell your creations. Let's jump right in and take a look at how you can get started by promoting your store. First off, you need to access Big Cartel's site. It is a user-friendly platform specifically designed for artists and small business owners. Once you've navigated there, look for the login button. This should be fairly visible on the home page. Click on that to proceed. You'll then be directed to a page where you need to enter your shop URL and password. It's important to remember these credentials as they give you access to manage your store efficiently. Once you've filled in these details, simply click on the login button to access your dashboard. Now we're in the Big Cartel dashboard, which is the command center for your store. From here you can manage various aspects of your business, including orders and inventory. For our purposes today, you need to navigate over to the Orders section. With this view, you're prepared to consider promotional activities. The exciting part about Big Cartel is that they offer options for posting ads on social media platforms, which is crucial for widening your audience reach. However, take note that this feature may require you to upgrade your plan. Investing in this upgrade could unlock additional tools and features to enhance your store's visibility across different channels. If upgrading isn't on your agenda yet, don't worry. There's another method. Click on the Apps tab, which provides another gateway to explore marketing options. Once inside, locate the section labeled Marketing and Promotion. This is where things start getting creative. Here, you have a plethora of options for integrating your store with social media. This connection allows you to tap into the power of social platforms, effectively expanding your reach and engaging with a broader audience. Integrating your store with social media is an essential step in building an online presence. Each platform offers unique advantages. For instance, Instagram can showcase your products visually, while Facebook allows you to engage and build a community. Putting your products in front of these audiences can dramatically increase visibility and ultimately sales. And there you have it.